Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on post views on TikTok, so you can see who viewed your posts and let others know when you viewed theirs. This is a feature similar to profile views, and it's super easy to enable. First, open the TikTok app and tap on your profile at the bottom right. Now let's tap on any of your recent posts. At the bottom left you'll see the view count, but by default, TikTok doesn't show who viewed it, only the number. To turn on post view history, go back to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner, and select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Privacy. Scroll down a bit and just above Blocked Accounts, you'll see Viewers or Post View History. Tap on that, then toggle it on. When enabled, you'll be able to see who viewed your posts, but only people you follow and who also follow you back. Keep in mind, post views are only available for 7 days, and when this is on, others can also see when you viewed their posts. Hope this helped. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.